Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the devices so the update can install automatically. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi, unlock it, and make sure iOS is current. Put your Airpods 4 into their charging case, then plug the case into power. Aim for at least 20% battery. Once done, open the case near your iPhone and confirm Bluetooth shows them as connected. These conditions let Apple push firmware, so don't skip powering and proximity. You now trigger the install by creating the right environment. Leave the Airpods 4 in the closed case while it charges, and keep the iPhone unlocked and nearby on the same Wi-Fi network. Once you've done that, avoid using the Airpods or toggling Bluetooth. The firmware transfers and installs silently. If the update doesn't start within 15-30 minutes, restart the iPhone and repeat the charge and proximity step, because the update requires that active connection window. You finish by verifying the firmware version in Settings General about Airpods. Compare the number to the target build. If it didn't update, reset the Airpods 4 by putting them in the case, holding the pairing button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, and reconnect to the iPhone. Troubleshooting tip. If resets fail, try a soft reboot of the iPhone and repeat. Persistent failures mean contacting Apple support for diagnostics or service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.